Is it recording? I think it's recording. Test, Mike, test, Mike, Bazowski, test. Hello, my name's Tessie. This is a thing that me and my friends are doing for a makeup challenge during quarantine. I guess this is day one. So welcome to the challenge and the struggle. Cause I do not know makeup. My friend sent me the person I was supposed to be doing. Supposed to recreate their like colors and looks on your face with makeup. So this is gonna be interesting. As Period, your Pokemon is Sylveon. It's one of the Eevee. It's the evolutions. No. Frick. This is only day one. Have fun. It is gonna be misery. So I can actually put a dress with it because I kind of want to look good, you know? Why not make it gay? I got rainbows. Okay. You will help, but it makes my arms look like a buff angel. So this just to try to flatten my arms out, see what happens. I'm just a raging homosexual. I'm gonna have makeup. By the way, makeup palette is that one. Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me eyeshadow tray. Here's what it looks like. So I don't know how I'm going to do this though. If I'm going to have to like layer it, because like I don't know if you guys see my eyes. I got small eyes and I got weird eyes, so I got small eyes. This is going to be difficult. I'm going to go shower and clean up and make sure I actually got everything. Be back. Hi, I'm back. Yes, raging homosexual. Yes. Time to start. Chocolates, because why not? I know it's just Easter, so happy Easter. And they're pink. Why not? Moisturizer. Helps with the face. So I'm completely blind when I do this. And I think it's funny because that's literally like all my makeup I do blind. So to even do makeup, I have to feel my face to know where the heck I'm going, or else I just don't know and I kind of guess. That's a lot better. Okay. So yeah. Soft face. Nice. More chocolate. This is gonna be a recurring thing, by the way. It doesn't have one of those like things that you get to push down and like squirts it up. So what I gotta do is go like this. Yep. Isn't that lovely? We'll try that. Try that. Foundation is done with teary red eyes. That's done. This. I never done this, and I don't even know what this is for. Like, I don't know. I know y'all are going to be screaming like that's not how you're supposed to do it, but that's how I did it, okay? Relax, that's how I did it. Palette, disgrace, makeup. Let's do this. That looks like a light blue. It's not, but it looks like it. And I don't know how this is gonna go. By the way, I'm using this kind of brush. Did it first. I already messed up. No! No! Okay, we're going in. No! I'm so nervous. Okay, I'll just go like this. It's my tiny eyes. Okay. I think that works. I don't know. Y'all are probably screaming at me, telling me to do it a different way, and I probably should listen. Not gonna lie. Okay. That looks terrible. I don't even know what the heck this thing is. I don't even know. What? Ooh, I already messed it up. Oh well. We'll start from the inside. Work my way through. Inside, work the way through. Inside, work the way through. Inside, work the way through. That doesn't look half bad. Ish. To me, it doesn't. Yeah, I'm terrible at makeup. I love how my friends like, hey, let's do a makeup thing. Let's do a makeup video. And I'm like, I don't know how to do makeup. And they're like, I don't know how to do either. Here's an example I did for my D&D cosplay. And it's amazing. And then the other person that's also doing makeup with us is like a legit makeup artist. And I'm like, ah! At least it'll layer over the mistakes I made, I guess. Just probably go this way. Okay. Okay, just get the middle, get the middle. Is that better? I don't even know, I can't see. I'm just gonna go straight in for it. I can't tell if that's. Oh my gosh, I look so bad. This is day one. It's gonna get worse. It's gonna suck. Okay. Wait, I'm just doing my right. No, I'm doing my left. Okay. Gotta get way down. No, I already failed. But we're going to keep on going. Ah! I think it touched my eye. I'm going to keep on going. Why not? Does that look good? Okay. Going to get down low to the ground, low to the eye. Go low. You wanna go low. Apple bottom jean boots with the fur. Everybody's looking at her. Next thing you know, everyone got low. I know I sang it wrong, don't worry. Okay. That looks somewhat not like I was doing. I mean, not terrible. I'm not gonna lie. That's not what I was originally seeing. I need actually like glasses to see it. I mean, it could be worse. I feel like, oh no. Oh no. I was going to say, I feel like if this Pokemon was actually a person. Oh no, it got in there too. No, no, stop it. If they were actually a person, they would have like massive eyelashes. But it's me doing it. So, yeah. Okay, now you want to squirt up all of it. You just want that. This does not look that good. Does not look that good for me. Okay. Does that somewhat clean it up? I can't tell. That wasn't supposed to happen. Normally, I would say that's about it. I haven't used this, and I kind of want to, like really bad. I don't know why. The heck is this a pencil, like a legit pencil? Okay. How do I do this? And what the heck is that for? I don't know. This is not what I was going for. Do I ever get what I'm going for? No. I think that's about the end result. Don't know what else I can do. Yeah, I don't know. I think I ruined it. I think I ruined the look. 100%. But hey, it's here and it's going to stay for a little bit. Okay, now time to show y'all some pictures. Yeah, hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys had a glamorous day. Whatnot. Enjoy it. See y'all next time. Whenever we do this thing next time. So enjoy the rest of your guys' day / Corona vacation. Coronacation. I like that. Alright. Have a good one, you guys.